Hi everyone, good morning. It's a new year. It's a new year. I know we're supposed to have this high energy, but I promise you, I don't really have that. I'm just chill. But I'm excited. We're in 2025. Wow, crazy. But anyway, today is January 22nd. I've had a very slow, very chill January. January for me has been like planning, preparation, because I have a lot I want to do this year. So I just had to take out some time to plan and like arrange how I want to do these things in different areas of my life, basically. So that's what I use this January to do, and I'm excited to be back. That's just the update. I've been stalling like starting this vlog because I need to start vlogging now. I've been stalling it, but I just have to start. Hi guys, today is Sunday. I just finished recording. I'm so excited, and I need to clear up my room. I'm talking in hushed tones because my sister is sleeping and I've disturbed her enough. Anyway, I just finished, and I feel I'm so joyous that I was able to do this today. Yeah, just felt like logging that in before I arrange everywhere and go to bed. Time should be like, what's time? Time is 1:30. It's almost 2 o'clock. But yeah, there was lights today and I was just in the mood. I was gingered actually to do this, and I'm so glad. Let me see if I can hang you guys somewhere so I can at least vlog while I'm taking down and arranging everywhere back. Yeah, today has been good. I'm very happy.
And this is something that I actually did this year. If I look at my radar on public speaking, I think I'll rank myself a 6.
Hi. I look a mess, I know. So today is the 30th of January, and I realize I'm just making excuses for a lot of things I want to do. I know I look like nonsense right now. I'm just making a lot of excuses for a lot of things I want to do, and I'm done doing that. I'm done making excuses for things I should be doing. So I'm supposed to do a shoot, a professional head shoot, right? And I've just been benching all I need to do on that, and I don't have the money to do that right now. And I'm just like, I can't do a shoot. Can I really do? I've been allowing fear win, so I've just made a decision that, you know what, Larry, you're going to do all these things whether you like it or not. I've not really done most of the things I wanted to do. Most of the things I'm doing them like on my laptop, like soft work, but like actually doing things. I've been pushing them, so now I need to. Yeah, that was just the update. Guys, guess what? Just guess what? Just guess. Guess. Okay, I'll tell you. Today is the 31st of January. What? Today is the 31st of January. Who can believe that? Today is the 31st of January has ended. My whole slow January, I'm just easing into the year. It has ended. Wow. I don't know how I feel about that, fam. So many things that I told myself I was going to do by now, I haven't done them. I've also done a good amount of them, but I haven't done so many things. But it's just like, it's things I can't do right now. Yeah, I've done what I think I can do. And I'm not going to let that stop what I need to do going forward. Anyway, that's just so much chat. I just wanted to come in here to talk to you guys a little bit, just a little bit. Anyway, how has January been for you? Wow, 2025 is going like, once we step foot into February, March comes, and then before you know it's August. And you know what happens when it's August? A new year already. Just to relax, Hillary. Anyway, that's just basically what I came to say. I'm excited. I'm not excited. January could have waited a bit. But I want it to end because like money. I was feeling a little nervous at the beginning of this because like I want to start putting my work out there on YouTube and everywhere. So I was feeling nervous, like people don't really care, blah 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 blah. Why do you have to do all of that? But I'm just like, yeah, you have to. So I get the things you want, you have to. So you don't really have a choice, do you? Not really, not really. Yeah. So I'm going to end this vlog today. I want to work right now. Hopefully there's something I want to go and do in the evening. If I do that, I'll include it in the vlog. If not, that's all for January. January was just been doing some behind the scenes work, getting things ready for when I actually launch myself out there. I know I'm talking a lot and it seems like I'm talking a lot, but when you see what I'm trying to do, you understand why I had to take a bit of time to like really think about what I want and how I want to put myself out there. Anyway, I hope you enjoy watching. You enjoyed watching this vlog. If you are just like, you just randomly clicked on this video by happenstance, thank you so much. Subscribe to this channel because it's going to be an interesting ride this year going forward. Subscribe, join the family. I also love it if you could drop a comment, drop a cute red heart, then I'll know you got to this point. Yeah, I'll see you guys in my next vlog.